number. We'll go find him. Get the detective bureau on that, please.
Judge snaps in a chaotic courtroom meltdown as the defendant refuses to follow the rules, interrupts proceedings, and pushes things way too far. What starts as a routine hearing turns into a heated confrontation, with the judge shutting it down and warning of severe consequences. This one escalates fast and gets even wilder. If you like courtroom drama like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama, where we post twice a day. Now let's jump into it.
Court calls case People versus Dwight Miller.
Escalate for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Miller, who approaches your. Mr. Miller, can you please state your name for the record?
Dwight Miller.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, my belief is that my client does want to set this for preliminary examination. However, I am uncertain. He and I have had some conversations, and frankly, I believe he wants to make some statements to the court. I advise him against it, but at this point, I think he wants to talk.
So we're understanding this is a criminal matter, right?
It is.
Okay, so basically, man, it stemmed from a falsality. All this whole thing, I was falsely arrested, something I never did. I got a sworn affidavit.
Sir, I'm sure your counsel has advised you. I'm going to advise you to not say anything else about the subject matter of the case.
Okay.
If you'd like it set for preliminary
I
examination,
want to challenge jurisdiction.
you want to challenge jurisdiction
Yes.
of whom?
Y'all have a jurisdiction of a case that doesn't exist against you.
The sovereign citizens. You never failed to disappoint.
On what grounds?
What crime did I commit?
Pardon?
What crime did I commit?
To allege that you committed the crime.
I didn't commit that crime.
Resisting. If you want to interrupt me, I'll answer your question. But if you want to keep interrupting me, I'm not going to play that way. I'll answer your question. You're accused of the crime of an attempted resist, or not attempted, but resisting and obstructing a police officer.
So we all aware that this never transpired, right?
I am not aware of that.
Okay.
Is that all you have to say?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So, Your Honor, I would ask Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller, I'm not submitting frivolous motions.
Can I get my affidavit put in on the record, please?
Affidavit.
My affidavit of the incident that transpired.
Your affidavit of what?
The facts in the case. My statement of what happened. Can I get it on the record?
There will be an opportunity if you so choose, if this goes to a further proceeding, for you to put whatever evidence you want into the court. But this is not the time to do that.
Really? So when is the time to put the evidence in there?
If you want it set for a preliminary examination, you'll have that opportunity. And if it proceeds to trial, you'll also have that opportunity.
So once again, I'll ask, do you want to set this for preliminary examination, Mr. Miller?
Sure.
Thank you.
Not really.
His lawyer looks so uncomfortable yet so relieved right there. He's like, oh, finally got straight answer out of this guy.
See, do you want to set it for prelim or do you want an adjournment?
Preliminary examination.
Thank you.
To your knowledge, all discoveries.
To my knowledge, yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 24th.
Yes.
We could try for that date, Your Honor. If possible, I might ask to go one. No, let's do that date. Thank you.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set June 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You want to get this camera? They will have that. I will make it.
Court does call the case People versus Dwight Miller.
Escalates for the people.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Miller, Your Honor.
He's still muted.
I believe he is orange pants, white shirt, Judge.
I got it.
Oh, I was just happy I could read it.
Thank you for pointing that out. I figured out where he was. Oh, there he is. Mr. Miller, can you state your name, please?
He may be muted, Judge.
No, he's not muted.
Oh.
Sir, can you state your name?
On and for the record, my name is Dwight Miller. I'm American State National. I'm here to challenge jurisdiction. I'm here on special appearance to establish jurisdiction, bro.
Can we approach, Your Honor?
Your Honor, I need to challenge jurisdiction.
Okay, how are you intending on doing that?
Well, Your Honor, can you show me your how I'm supposed to do this? See, it's certain things I can't remember because y'all got me in here and I don't have access to the law books. But it's okay.
Oh, there are certain things you want me to show
your
you?
delegation of power, sir?
Pardon?
Can you show me your delegation of power and your oath of
My
office?
delegation of power.
Yeah, I
It
need,
came from the people of Washtenaw County that elected me. I have a certification of election in back. You want it?
Mr. Miller, as your
I would like
attorney,
a copy of your surety bond,
advise-
please, and your oath of office.
My surety bond. I don't
Yes.
have one. I'm insured by the county.
So you don't have one?
And state.
Okay. You don't have a surety bond, huh? So what's your oath?
Mr. Miller, I'd advise not to.
Swear oath to the Constitution, right? Yes or no?
I'd advise you not to continue this line.
Man, I'm in here. I done got victimized this morning. Are you serious? Can I get a breakout room with my attorney or my so-called attorney?
So-called attorney? No, he's a very good attorney, and he's not a so-called attorney, and you'll not refer to him that way because as you won't be disrespected, neither will he.
Okay, may I speak with the attorney in a breakout
You can
room?
do that on your own time. He doesn't get a breakout room here because he's live in the courtroom.
Okay. So,
So what are we doing with his case now that my jurisdiction has been established?
Can we please
okay,
approach, Your Honor?
I'm putting the motion in for dismissal because ain't no
Denied.
so-called
This motion for
witness or
dismiss is
victim to
denied.
sign a
What? What are we
sworn
doing?
affidavit against me.
Can we please approach, Your Honor?
And not end this? Yeah, oh. Of course, yes, you may.
So how's y'all having a conversation without me being there?
Cool.
Okay, we're back to the record in the Dwight Miller case. What I'm going to do, Counsel, you're requesting an adjournment in this matter.
I am, Your Honor. Upon information, believe there may be a new case coming. I understand Mr. Miller booked into the
Your
jail
Honor.
at 10 o'clock this morning.
Your Honor,
So I'm asking one
I
day to
object.
evaluate.
I object anything she talking about. First and foremost, how is you testifying?
Yeah, what?
First and foremost, Your Honor, I want this charge dismissed, man. At no time given, the lady
I
lied.
know, I heard your motion to dismiss.
Okay,
I denied
listen.
it already.
Okay, listen, Your Honor, under the Constitution,
Listen, Linda. God, listen, Linda. Just sound like bad.
what is it exactly? The maximums of law. If some come from a falsehood, what is that? The first words out this woman's mouth, she lied. She made a story
You're
up
not-
talking about somebody
Okay,
pulled a
this
weapon at her.
woman is an
Nobody pulled no
assistant
weapon at her because
prosecutor.
nobody
first
had
of
no
all.
weapon.
I believe he's speaking of the complaining witness, but
Oh, the complaining witness. Oh,
But you-
not Ms.
but
Hudson?
Mr. Miller, I would advise you not to say anything more. Given the circumstances, it may be prudent to discuss this matter further and to see there's a couple other things pending as well as a potential new charge they're indicating. This might be something we want to set
No.
over for a week.
No. I'm not worried about no new lies. Look at me. I got beat up this morning, bro. I called Pittsfield police
Okay.
13 times. I was getting assaulted with motherfucking tasers and shit.
Okay,
I put it on the record. Then all of a sudden they want to switch it up to make it seem like I'm threatening somebody. I ain't threatening no one.
Okay, but we can't resolve
I
all
never
that today.
threatened no one. The same people
I
that's
know.
making these
Okay.
statements, they all three on
So-
felony probation. They done got caught.
Okay.
Their house just
Okay,
got
so we
raided.
can't
And
resolve
then they up
that
here
today.
playing line up on me.
Okay, so look, we can't resolve that today. And I think the best thing to, so that everybody can try to figure out what's going on, is I'm going to adjourn it out a week. Rather than 2 weeks. I'll try to expedite it. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of it all. So,
Your Honor,
probable cause conference.
Your Honor,
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to November 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
And I should correct my statement, Your Honor, that MAG thing we discussed at the event, I think it's just the court is going to. I don't know that it's revolving the court. Okay.
Thank you.
What a crazy docket he's had so far. 2 sovereign citizens just going wild. What's up next?
so I just got railroaded, huh?
No, that's not railroaded.
Yeah,
I'll let you know when
because
that
I'm not consenting to none of this.
Can you?
The lady, the
Yeah, cut him. I'm done. I'm so done. Is he gone?
Yes.
I feel a cold coming on for this 6. It's like a hairball. I don't know. Court calls case People versus Dwight Miller.
Yeah, Mr. Miller, it's my understanding, Mr. Miller is, Mr. Miller, I don't know what you're showing us, but what, would you state your name for the record?
American State National, all my rights have been violated. They can't
Did you
produce a
state your
weapon.
name first?
American State National, man. Your
Okay.
Honor, I've been asking for the whole time, man. There ain't no firearm. There never was a firearm. I was kidnapped. My rights was violated. The lady lied on the scene. She said she called the police, said somebody pointed a firearm at her. Then
Sir?
when the police came on the scene,
Sir?
she made that
Sir?
statement again. And then it was proven, the
Sir?
cameras proved none of that happened.
Sir, if you want to try to overtalk me, you can. It's not going to work.
Dwight,
It's not the time for you to try to litigate your case.
Where's the
Dwight,
firearm?
Dwight, just listen. I was just appointed yesterday. Mr. Gaddy gave me the discovery this morning. Why don't we ask for a 2-week adjournment and you and I can talk?
Where's the firearm? Where's the so-called person that's the victim that signed the sworn
Any
affidavit?
objection from the people?
No, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned
I object.
to
I object. I
November
object.
20th.
I object. I object. I don't get
Objections
consent.
noted and denied.
You violate
November
my
20th,
constitutional rights.
2025,
I
9
ain't about to
a.m.
write you up. I'm
Bond,
about to send up
bond
the
will
judicial
continue.
review.
And you know what? So
I'm about
let's
to
do
send
it
to
this
judicial
way.
review.
That hearing will be in person. So if you got
my
something to
back
say, you
messed
can
up.
come right here and say, in
My
person.
back messed
Thank
up.
you.
You know
Mute
that.
him.
You know my back messed up.
You're welcome. Court does call the case of the People versus Jawante McFarland.
Escalation to the people.
Good morning, Rob J. Cole on behalf of Mr. Farland. Judge, may we approach?
You are just having a bad day, aren't you? You are.
It's going to get worse. It's going to get
Court does call the case, People versus Dwight Miller.
Escalation to the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rob J. Kilwald calling outside of Judge Slay's courtroom. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dwight, would you state your name for the record?
I'm American State National. I'm appearing sui juris. You is not my attorney. That's not working for me. We got a whole issue. All my constitutional rights have been violated. I want it on the record. I was arrested by a lie. I want it on the
Okay,
record.
first of all, I'm
On
going to
the record.
stop this. I directed this defendant to be in this courthouse in
I got a
person.
bad back, sir.
And he is
I
not
got-
here in person.
Sir, I got
I
a
am
bad
not going to
back.
sit here
I
and
got a
listen to
medical
him
issue.
ramble on and on about everything.
Oh, really?
I don't
So you
mind
gonna
hearing
violate
from
my
people, but I
constitutional
tell
rights?
you, if you're
You
going
gonna
to say
violate
it
my
all, you're going
constitutional
to say it to my face. Bench
You gonna
warrant will
violate
issue
my
for defendant's
constitutional
failure
rights?
to appear. No
I
bond.
am here.
We'll get him
I can't-
here.
I got a
Thank
medical
you.
issue.
You
So you
can
gonna
mute
violate
him.
my
Thank you, Mr. Kilowald.
Okay, Judge. Thank you. Judge, if I may say, he does have some medical issues. That being said, all I wanted to do was set it for exam.
Well, when he gets here and graces our doorstep, I'll be more than happy to set it.
All right, I'll bring my constitutional book. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr.
Bye.
Wow, you know it's bad when your own lawyer's roasting you with the judge. Oh my goodness.
Court does call the case, People versus Gary Coward.
Good afternoon,
I
Your
know
Honor.
this. Hey, Simpson, I'm coming to see you, bro. You violated my constitutional rights. I am coming to see you, bro.
Hey, I hope you are not making a threat against me, because that's going to cause you a whole bunch of other problems. Get that number. Yeah, I bet you it did log out. Get that number. It will have the full number. We'll go find him. Get the detective bureau on that, please. All right, let's go. You don't want to come up here now, do you? I know. He's just standing there like, man, I just call my name. I'm just up
Do you
here.
want me to contact the detective bureau for you?
Pardon?
Do we reach out to the DB?
I think he ends.
Okay, got it.
Your name, sir?
Gary Coward.
He was representing Mr. Coward. Mr. Burgess?
I am. Sorry, Your Honor. Good morning. Good afternoon. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess on behalf of Gary Coward. I'm appearing via Zoom, Judge, because it seems a little scary in your courtroom today. So.
Wow. I'm calm.
My client is present, Your Honor. He's raising no constitutional issues, and he is a citizen of the United States.
Thank you.
I'm done, Your Honor. Sorry.
All right. No, you're not. You are just getting started. What are we doing on this case?
Judge, we're still trying to, Mr. Bandis and I were still trying to resolve the matter at the district court level. So I'm still discussing it with him. We're just asking for a couple weeks adjournment of the PCC.
Will the 11th work for you? I think you're here anyway on the 11th. I think
so.
For you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Will that work for you?
Yes, sir. Can I appear at Zoom, please?
Pardon?
Can I appear at Zoom at all?
That hasn't worked out for people today. No.
He's messing with you.
Oh boy. Well, that last one turned out humorous, man. That judge, he stayed calm while being threatened. I don't know how he puts up with all these crazy people. But if you want to see more drama like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Daily Courtroom Drama, where we upload twice a day. I'll see you in the next